Let's go to page 424 and let's do number 16. You have 5x minus 2 over x minus 4 equal to 7 over 1. I can write it this way so I can multiply by common denominator, plus 4x plus 2 over x minus 4. So when you have fractional equation or rational equation, first you want to do is go and multiply by LCD to get rid of the fraction. So let's go and multiply by x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4. So that this will cancel with this. So you have 5x minus 2 equal. This one does not cancel, so just go and multiply out. So you get 7x. Again, use your finger. Use your fingers to point out. So 7x minus 28 minus 28, and this cancel also, plus 4x plus 2. And go and combine the like terms. You got 5x minus 2 equal to 7x plus 4x give you 11x, and minus 28 plus 2 give you minus 26. So since this is a bigger x, I'm going to keep this over here and I'm going to move this over. So minus 5x on both sides. So this cancel out. Since I move the number to this side, I move the variable to this side, I need to move the number to the other side. So plus 26, so this cancel out. So you get 24 equal to 6x. Then you divide by 6, so x equal to 4. Now before you box your answer, you need to check your answers. Because if you look at your original, okay, over here the x is not allowed. So this x equal to 4, but so this is the only answer you have, but it's not allowed. So this no good. Therefore your answer will be no solution. So again, whenever you have a rational equation, when you solve for the answer, you have to check, see if it's okay. Like I said, over here, the 4 is no good, because when you put 4 over here, you get 4 minus 4 equal to 0, and that's not allowed. Okay, so your answer would be no solution for this kind of problem. Let's go to number 26. Here you have 5 over x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 17 over 6x squared minus 6. When you see the addition or subtraction, means those are terms. As soon as you see the terms, you need to go and do the factoring. Okay, so you're going to get 5. Leave a little bit space over here so you can multiply by LCD. So this one you can go off to the side. You can do the master product. So you're going to get 3 and negative 4. Right, 3 and negative 4. So you again start with 1 comma negative 4. And then you can go 2 comma negative 2. And then you can go 4 comma negative 1. And that would be your correct combination. So you get your 2 sets of parentheses. So you get x and x. So from here you get plus 4. You get minus 1. Okay, the next one over here, okay, you get the 5 and the 4. So this is 1 comma 4. So that's the correct combination already. So from here you're going to get plus 1. From here you're going to get plus 4. Now this one you have to factor out the 6 first. So if you factor out the 6, you get 6 times x squared minus 1. Okay, so from here you factor that out, and then this is your difference of square, so that will factor into the conjugate. So you get x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so again, first you need to factor everything. After you factor, then you can get your LCD. Your LCD would be x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 4. So I'm going to write it all down so I can see what I cancel out. Again, so don't get lazy. Write it out. Give yourself enough space. Write it on top. So that way you can keep track of what you cancel out. Oh, there's another 6 over here, so make sure you put a 6 over here. So you can write out your LCD. So now let's go and cancel things out. So this cancel with this one, this cancel with this one. So now when you multiply, there's a 5 and a 6, so there's 30. You can use your finger. So 30 times x give you 30x, right? 30 times 1 give you plus 30. Okay. So make sure you multiply out correctly. Plus, okay, this cancel with this one, this cancel with this one. So now you got 12. So you got 12 times that. So it'd be 12x, right? 12 times x give you 12x. 12 times minus 1 give you minus 12. This one you cancel, cancel, this cancel, 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 cancel. So when you multiply, you get 17x plus 68. After this, go and combine the like terms, so it give you 42x plus 18 equal to 17x plus 68 minus 17x minus 17x. So move the variable to this side, that means you have to move the number to the other side. So minus 18 minus 18. So you get 25x equal to 50 divided by 25 divided by 25. So x is equal to 2. Now let's check. Are they okay? So this one, negative 4 is no good. 1 is no good. Negative 1 is no good. So this one is okay. So you can box that. Okay, let's go to page 433. And let's do number 14. Page 433, number 14. You have 1 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x equal to 1/2. So by looking at that, so your LCD, now look, these two are different. These are totally different things. Okay, this is like apple, this is like pineapple. Even both have an x, but they are totally different things, right? Just like apple and pineapple are not the same thing. Okay? So again, write down your LCD. So you need to get 2x, x plus 1, 2x, x plus 1, 2x, x plus 1. So this one you cancel with this, so you get 2x. This one you cancel. Now you have to be careful now. There's a negative right over here. So negative 2 times 3 give you negative 6. So you got negative 6 times x give you negative 6x. Then you have the negative 6 times 1 give you minus 6. So watch for the negative sign over here. And this cancel out, so you get x squared plus x. Now you have x squared on this side, so you want to move everything to the right hand side to make it equal to 0. Okay. But first let's go and simplify this a little bit. So you get negative 4x minus 6 equal to x squared plus x. So plus 4x plus 4x. So this cancel out. You need to plus 6 plus 6. So this cancel out. So you got 0 equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So now you have to do your factoring. You can go through your steps. Step 1, common factor. Step 2, special factor. Then you go to step 3, cube. Then you go to step 4, massive product. So you start with 1, 6, 2, 3, and that's it. So you can get your 2 sets of parentheses, then you get your x and x. So from here you get plus 2, plus 3. So from this you get x equal to negative 2, you get x equal to negative 3. Now you have to check, okay? Are they okay? So this one, so from here you can see that x cannot equal to negative 1 or 0, right? So negative 1 and 0 are not allowed, so you check. So in this case, both are fine. So those are your 2 answers. Okay, let's go to number 16. Yes, 6 minus x over x squared minus 4 equal to x over x plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to put 2 over 1. Okay. So when you see addition or subtraction, those are terms. So you make sure everything is all factored first before you get your LCD. So this one you have to factor. So you got 6 minus x over, so this one would be x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to x over x plus 2 over 1. So from here, your LCD is x plus 2, x minus 2. So you get x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. So this one, this all cancel out. You get 6 minus x. this one it cancels, so you got x times x minus 2, so you get x squared minus 2x. This one nothing cancels, so you have to multiply all this together. But instead of multiply this first, it's going to be kind of messy. So you have to remember where this came from. This came from this. Right? This times that is this. This is where this came from. So all you have to do is just multiply this together. So you're going to get plus 2x squared minus 8. Right? Just multiply. Then after that, let's go and simplify a little bit. Okay, so let's move everything to this side. So minus 6, minus 6. So this cancel out. Plus x, so cancel out. So you got 0 equal to, combine the like terms, so you get 3x squared, and this one give you minus x, minus 14. Now you do the factoring, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, master product, so you get negative 1, and this one is minus 42. Okay, so again, remember your master product, right? You have to multiply this together, right? Okay, so you start with 1 comma negative 42, 2 comma negative 21, 3 comma negative 14, 4 cannot because 4 is twice as that and you get half as you cannot. 5, 6 comma negative 7, and so that's it. So just go down the list. So get your 2 sets of parentheses, so you get x, 3x. So let's do it inside first. 3 times something equal to 6, so this is the inside. So you need to get plus 2, right? 3 times 2 give you 6, that's the inside. So this is your inside, that's the outside. So to get the outside of negative 7, you need to get minus 7. 1 times negative 7 give you negative 7. So from here, you're going to get x plus 2 equal to 0. And you're going to get 3x minus 7 equal to 0. This one you minus 2 on both sides. So you're going to get x equal to negative 2. Okay. But if you look over here, this one, if you notice over here, x cannot equal to negative 2 and positive 2. So these two values are not allowed because of this. So from here, you know that this is no good because this is not allowed. From here, you get plus 7 on both sides. You get 3x equal to 7, divided by 3, divided by 3. So you get x equal to 7 over 3, and that's your answer. So again, you have to check. Make sure that you cross out the answer is not allowed.